Welcome to the revolutionary platform Pugbar, a game changer in the world of sanitary pads. Our sanitary pads are crafted using the world's finest raw materials, including a combination of Nobel Prize-winning material, graphene. These pads are dermatologically tested, non-toxic, made of 100% cotton and feature an 8-layer protection system for your health and comfort. But instead of just talking about it, let's show you our product through a short test video presentation. Unboxing. Pugbar is having completely recyclable, eco-friendly paper box. Inside the box, there are 10 pieces in separate 3-layer pouch packaging which protect the pad from moisture and any kind of external contamination, as our product are EO-sterilized and very safe for clinical uses. Burn test of cotton. We will test the cotton fabric by burn test. 100% cotton will not melt or curl away from flame. It will have the odor of burning paper, leaves or wood. Here we can see that other companies' pads will melt with the flame, but Pugbar pads top sheet will burn as pure cotton. Breathability test. Pugbar sanitary napkins are breathable, which allow air to pass properly, and here you can see it with the breathability test of napkin. You can see that the air can pass properly through the napkin. But in competitive leading brand napkin, there is no breathability. Absorption capacity and quick absorption. Pugbar sanitary napkins have very high absorption capacity and a quick absorption without side leak. We will test it and compare with 2 leading brands which claim very high absorption for overnight use. We are pouring 200 ml water on each of it, and we can see that both the best claimed sanitary napkins of market could not absorb even 100 ml water and overflowing. But Pugbar sanitary napkin absorbed completely 200 ml very quickly without any overflow and side leak. You can also observe that it locks the moisture after absorption. Graphene test. Graphene absorbs this energy and neutralizes it and protects vaginal cell damage. It's a conductive material which allows electricity to pass, and we will check the presence of graphene in a chip. Here we have a chip separated from the Pugbar pad, and we will connect the black lines of graphene on the chip with open circuit, and it will complete the circuit and LED light connected with it which will light up. Magnetism test. We will test the presence of magnet with magnet detector. So we will take the magnet detector near to it and we can hear the beep sound. Our Pugbar sanitary pads redefine what is best possible and offer our products exceptional qualities. Discover the future of feminine hygiene with Pugbar.